Hello everyone, welcome to Skyllx. So, what if I told you that right now, at this very moment, someone, somewhere is trying to break into your system? Like not in a movie or kind of a TV show, in a real life. And the only thing that's standing between them and the millions of dollars of worth damage is someone like you, someone like a cybersecurity professional. So, welcome to this course, and I'm glad that you're all here. My name is Rohini, and I will be your instructor throughout this course. So, let me take a moment to tell you a little bit about myself. I hold a master degree in cybersecurity from United Kingdom, and for the past 3 years I've been working as a cybersecurity professional in various fields like analyzing threats, responding to incidents, and building a security frameworks and many such things. So, before we dive into this course, let's answer the most fundamental question. So, what exactly is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is nothing but the practice of protecting the systems, network programs, and data from digital attacks or unauthorized access or some other kind of damage. So, what does the term cyber mean? Cyber is nothing but anything related to the internet, right? So, security is protecting it. It's called protection. So, anything related to internet that we are protecting is called cybersecurity. Think of it as a self defense but digitally for an organization. But here's the thing, it's much bigger than just an antivirus or some strong passwords. So, cybersecurity is an entire ecosystem. So, what are you actually getting in this 12 weeks of course is that we start with the foundation, where we talk about various core principles of networking, the command line, the encryption, and few concepts of social engineering. So, you can't protect what you don't understand, right? That's the core principle of this entire course. From there, we move into a professional landscape such as CISSP domains and 8 pillars of cybersecurity. And we are in week of 7 and 8, we are going to learn about various frameworks such as NIST, ISO 27001, and compliance, and some of the ethics part of ethical hacking like GDPR, etc. You will learn to think strategically, not technically. Then we get into really exciting part like tools like Wireshark, Nmap, and Metasploits, and also Splunk. This course allows you to break things, learn from it, and do it again without any consequences, all inside a safe virtual machine environment. So, and at the end, we wrap up with your capstone portfolio, where it is a package that employers actually want to see: a documented home lab, incident management report, and working scripts on GitHub. Also, you'll get to publish a technical write up. So you will be spending 60% of your time in this course just doing practical things, not just watching the videos. Most courses teach you what cybersecurity is, but this course teaches you how to do a cybersecurity. And every concept you learn is immediately applied in a hands-on lab. From day one, you're building a portfolio, not just absorbing information. By the end of the finish, you will have a proof, things you can show a hiring manager and say that you have built this, and you can say you have done this, and you know what you're exactly doing. That's what separates you from other people. This course is for you if you're completely new to the field and don't know where to start. And if this course is for you if you are in an IT and want to pivot into cybersecurity. It's for you if you're doing your self studying and feel like you have a knowledge gap. You don't need a computer science degree, you don't need a working experience. What you need is a curiosity and 8 hours a week and the willingness to do a practical stuff. I will be with you every step of the way. Cybersecurity is one of the most fastest growing field in the world. The demand for the skilled professionals is getting wider each day. So, every organization from hospitals to banks to government agencies needs people who want to protect their data, their system, and their people. You now understand what cybersecurity is. You know the battlefield. So, you know the threats, and you know what this course is going to equip you with. You have the opportunity to be the one of that person who stands between attackers and the world they're trying to compromise. So let's get started. Head into our week 1 course, and I will see you in the first lesson. Welcome to the course, and let's build something great. Thank you.